Installing French door handles is a straightforward project that can significantly update the look of your doors. This process involves installing two types of handles, an active handle with a latch for the main door and a dummy handle for the stationary door. Before you begin, gather your tools. You will need a tape measure, a pencil, a Phillips head screwdriver, a drill with various bits, and possibly an Allen wrench, which is often included with the new hardware set. First, unpack your new French door handle set. Lay out all the parts to ensure everything is there. Compare the parts to the instruction manual's diagram. If you are replacing old hardware, start by removing it. Unscrew the old handles from both sides of the door. Then, remove the screws holding the latch plate on the edge of the door and pull the latch mechanism out. Now, prepare to install the new hardware on the active door. Start with the latch. Slide the new latch mechanism into the hole on the edge of the door. Make sure the angled side of the latch bolt faces the direction the door closes. This allows it to slide smoothly into the strike plate. Secure the latch's faceplate with the two small screws provided. Next, install the exterior handle. It will have a long spindle and two screw posts. Guide the spindle through the square hole in the center of the latch mechanism. The screw posts should go through the smaller holes in the door. Now, move to the inside of the door. Place the interior handle's backplate over the spindle and press it flush against the door. Align it with the screw posts coming from the exterior handle. Insert the two long mounting screws through the interior backplate. These screws go all the way through the door and thread into the exterior handle's posts. Tighten them evenly with your screwdriver, alternating between the top and bottom screw. Be careful not to over-tighten, as this can cause the mechanism to bind. Once the handles are securely mounted, you can attach the levers or knobs. Slide the exterior lever onto the spindle. Then slide the interior lever onto the spindle on the other side. Most levers have a small set screw on the neck. Use the provided Allen wrench to tighten the set screw, locking the lever onto the spindle. Test the active handle by turning the lever to ensure the latch retracts and extends smoothly. Also, test the lock if it has one. Now, you will install the dummy handle on the inactive door. This handle is for appearance and pulling the door open only. Measure from the bottom of the active door to its handle. Use this measurement to position the dummy handle at the exact same height on the inactive door. Use a level to ensure it is perfectly straight. Mark the screw locations with a pencil. Drill small pilot holes at your marks to prevent the wood from splitting. Position the dummy handle over the pilot holes and secure it tightly with the provided screws. The final step is installing the strike plate on the door jamb. Close the active door gently until the latch touches the jamb. Mark the spot where the center of the latch hits. This is where your strike plate will go. Chisel out a shallow mortise for the strike plate if necessary so it sits flush. Then, drill pilot holes and screw the strike plate into place. Your installation is now complete. Open and close both doors to confirm everything is aligned and functioning correctly. The active door should latch securely, and both handles should feel solid. Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing for more home improvement guides.